Welcome to Labii, and thank you for starting your trial with us. In this video series, we'll walk you through how to log into your Labii account. First, you need to confirm which data center you should use. You can find this information in the account setup email sent by your Labii administrator. Here's a general guide based on your location. United States. Use the US data center at https://www.labii.app. Europe. Use the Ireland data center at https://eu.labii.app. Asia. Use the Hong Kong data center at https://hk.labii.app. If your organization uses a dedicated data center, you can log in at https://yourcompanydomain.labii.app. Once you've opened the correct URL, log in using the email address and password you set during account setup. If you see a message saying your account is not activated, it means you still need to complete the setup process. Please follow the link in your setup email to activate your account before logging in. If you've forgotten your password, simply click the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page to reset it. That's it for this part of your Labii tutorial. We hope this helped you feel more confident navigating the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your administrator or contact our support team. We're here to help. Ready for the next step? Click on the next video in this playlist to continue exploring Labii. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Labii.